Well, you've heard of spring cleaning, but what about fall cleaning? Saturday morning, there was a way to cleanly kick off your spooky season with the Troy's Recycling Committee. Reporter Kacee Holmes has the details.
Private documents, old batteries, and plain trash. Everyone has them, but many times you don't know how to get rid of the trash. Saturday morning, the City of Troy and Troy's Recycling Committee hosted a citywide Recycles Day to help people finally dispose of those unwanted items.
Troy Recycles Day helps our citizens to shred documents that they might be keeping in their house that they don't have a shredder in the house, or it takes a lot, so this allows them to shred those personal documents and also keeps those documents out of the landfill for recycling. We also have this recycling event to help recycle electronics that we don't normally pick up during the year, and regular recycling.
Taking in an entire city's trash is a large undertaking, which is why the City of Troy and its Recycling Committee teamed up with the group Keep Troy Beautiful.
Well, Keep Troy Beautiful and the City of Troy put on this event each year with several partners in conjunction with America Recycles Day. It all keeps all of these products out of the landfill, so it helps our community.
The Keep Troy Beautiful's committee says having a Recycles Day each year can really impact communities in the surrounding areas and help keep them clean.
To be able to bring out all their things, their old electronics, they can bring this out and just have a one-stop drop-off where it's easy for the people of the City of Troy. And it's really just a great event, I think, that the City of Troy provides.
The City of Troy does offer its own recycling service. You can find more information via its website, troyal.gov/KDB. Kacee Holmes, Troy TrojanVision News.
City Recycling Services includes a free recycling can and weekly pickup.